Hi everyone! Today we are making something simple, sweet, and absolutely perfect for summer, a raspberry cream pie. It's elegant, delicious, and best of all, it uses a frozen pie shell. Because yes, we are skipping the whole butter and ice water crust meditation session. No shame here, because as much as I love making my own pie crust from scratch, sometimes we're busy people. We have lawns to mow and dishes to dodge. So this is a great go-to dessert when you want to bring something impressive but not break a sweat. You also only need 6 ingredients. That's right, 6. That's less than a lot of us put in an average salad dressing. So let's get into it. I recently made this pie for guests and it went over big. And all you need is 1.5 cups of raspberry jam, 1.5 cups of light cream, 3 eggs, a splash of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. That's it. And this makes a pie that looks like you bought it from a boutique bakery in Florence. Start by taking out your frozen pie shell and gently prick the bottom and sides with a fork, just so it doesn't puff up with big opinions in the oven. Next, we'll give the crust a little head start in the oven by baking it at 350 for about 8 minutes. Next, in a nice mixing bowl, crack open 3 large eggs. And try not to get any of the eggshells in there unless you want a crunchy style, which I don't recommend. Give it a good whisk and add the cream. Put in a teaspoon or 2 of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Now take your 1.5 cups of raspberry jam, and if it's a little stiff from the fridge, warm it up slightly so that it blends in easily. Now stir it until it all turns a beautiful soft pink color. Once you take the crust out of the oven, pour that beautiful pink mixture right in. Now, I should have put this on a baking sheet before I filled it for stability, because look at me trying to balance and lift this without having a pie disaster. It miraculously made it into the oven without a mishap, and you just bake it for 35 to 40 minutes at 350. While the pie is baking, I went out into our garden to feed our backyard critters, and I put out some seed to feed our 2 resident wild ducks and birds. Many of you know I also have some squirrel friends, and this little guy's name is Winston. He's got a really cheeky personality, and he jumped up on the table, and it didn't take him long to find the container of nuts I had there. And he decided to help himself. He was so cute to watch while he had his little snack, and it was nice to have him as company for a while. And before he left, he decided to take one more for the road. Now our pie is done, and this is how it should look. The edges should be set, and it should jiggle just a little in the center. Not runny, just a soft shimmy, like a hula dancer. Now here comes the hardest part. You have to let it cool completely. I know it looks amazing and smells even better, but you have to put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, because if you slice it too early, it will fall apart. So walk away and go do something else, because that chill time is where the magic happens. The filling firms up, the flavors marry nicely, and then your pie will become picnic royalty. Once your pie is cool and chilled, you can serve it up. Just grab yourself a pie server and a sharp knife. Now, if you want neat slices, the secret to that is to wipe your knife between each cut with a damp cloth, and your slices will come out with nice, clean edges. But if it gets a little messy, don't stress, because real pies have personality. Now, you can top it with a dollop of whipped cream and some raspberries or strawberries like I did, or you can leave it exactly as it is, just bare and beautiful like a summer morning. Now, believe me when I tell you, if you bring this pie anywhere or serve it at any of your gatherings, you will be the secret star. Because here's the secret: homemade jam pies win hearts. They travel well, they slice beautifully, and it also makes it look like you spent the entire morning hand-picking berries, which you didn't. You were probably loading up the dishwasher and yelling at someone to find their shoes. But that's the beauty of this pie. It gives high-effort vibes with low-effort energy. Now, if by some miracle there are leftovers, you can just cover it up with saran wrap and keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days, and the flavor does get better the next day. I love that this pie only takes 6 ingredients, takes only 10 minutes to mix up, and it chills while you live your life. It travels beautifully and it wows everyone without breaking the bank or your back. If you try this raspberry cream pie, let me know how it went and if it stole the show at your gathering or potluck. Please go ahead and share this recipe with someone who needs a quick win in the kitchen. And remember, you don't have to do it all. You just need to bring the pie. Many blessings to you and your families. Take care, everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.